final destiny.
Nok ni biskang khari.
My guest ham jawa dong yes. So my ka la mai thong sa di.
Thak saka. Oh ang mai ada mat.
The audience without ticket enjoy.
Oh to. Saya tak tak.
Oh. This is the best day ever. My name is Bryan. Oh, good morning. Tawag sung sini final day, final destiny. Dini sini Bryan Adam concert tanggo sariyo. So sung tawag nakhalai sini tawag nakhoi parking jaga mangke se sung or gari park khaimna ke hingis ma phane thang phai. Engke tawag sung ke PB shopping khai bini ko ba mane ro ro ni gari unang na engke ba. Engke to lama shopping til concert khaime abli tang thong ya khanai han ba. So ta sin journey start khalis na gari malai la ha. Ta thanglai jang. Stay tuned.
Look into my eyes. You
Jam kesak nizak. Pula. Kesak man.
Kesak au map janai na.
Already red ni jang ha. Okay. Sini parking ni bagai thangai jang gari ruwei. Sung jen je jespan khangai jang asne. Okay, Bryan Adams. Yay! Few hours so. Oro kasha parking nukha. Taga parking bunyi nok ni biskang khari ka. Sai malia batu janing no. Reklai jar hazang no tam jang no. Thik no.
So finally, man, we got a parking. That was some Thailand jungle, I think, and PBO. Xem mày sao lại cái nữa? Chứ mày cho guest jungle, ham jawa jungle, halak jungle, Christian jungle, dan Mrs jungle. Tak xem mày sao ấy? Mình phải dễ palwang trong mas. So, pula tension dah bayar kah? Okay. Thế Thailand jungle, có ham jawa nào đi á? Go sini guest. So mày ka la mai thong sa di.
Thak saka. Tabok si puya ke acting khai ma tapani tabok si mani rapan.
Cái thong se không bao giờ là học khơi mà bao giờ. Mai si Malia đại tiệm mai si. Mong đó ta học cái cái thường.
Ya gram sa si lai tai si hai si mai Malia.
Mai cũng thấy là yar si. Bao giờ khai cái cái gì?
Kamu nak cakap tak boleh ada. Oh, ang mai ada mat.
Mung sama ni nu mai yang.
Oh, mesti cakap saya. Pipi tanah ini sung Thai mah tinggal besar. Mana yang bini dah dah leng jak tong leng saya apa saya ya. Pipi.
Hello guys, welcome to Bryan Adam India to.
Kamu nuga?
Kasih ke sorry ta. Kasih ke sorry.
Sorry mana kan ini kena. Kau sih kayu. Nada. Nanti saja yak kanyi yak sih. Sang sama ba?
Sound check है वो बाहर में पूरा लाइट डाउन किया हमने पूरा खाना बने बा लाइट फील है इज टोटली डिफरेंट orang bang mana ba bro band crowd man on the street जो हमारे
This can kita yak di sini sawu sih.
At this stage, they will not go there.
Hari di sawu sih.
An audience without ticket enjoying a concert.
Nanti saya pun kena. Saya fikir, wah, chips kelang mata na ini. Chips kelang mata na ini siapa sih nak on the spot saya. शिव माना से नुआई वो वेस्ट खाया मैं 10 रुपए भी वेस्ट नहीं करूंगा 5 टका सिको 10 मांगना
Guess why? Because
I love the
we
fucking
are
steak.
in the rock capital of India. I need a scream! Yes, we are. Yes, we are. And that is why this evening, live and exclusive, Bryan Adam will be performing for you.
tôi đã搞个 blog 开始搞个频道，耶！
One of the best moment in my life.
Ge bo taku 7:13 ka bo 8 o'clock ko sakwa nyai. Kete ada ko na sina ko na 1.5 hours ko ro pas oi.
Agi bus ka usiri mana bus wasa.
Abo sikte. Abo sini minus oli to.
Agi bus bus ka. Just play. Request a song for that shit. Play course kan kare. Nade. Good times. Very nice.
Sampai siapa? Mana si Bobo?
What an idea. What a creativity. Coming the way. Yeah.
come from Canada. And nobody told me that it was going to be this cold tonight, okay? No one said anything. So, I'm looking forward to my bath later. No, I don't want your jacket, I'm okay. Thank you very much. Listen everybody, I want to say first of all, this is my first time here, and myself and my band, we are delighted to be back here in India, especially in Sri Lanka. Thank you for coming. Now we have quite a long show, so I hope you don't have to get up in the morning, and we're going to try and fit in as many songs as we can. My father passed away about 5 years ago, and this is a song. The idea of the song is that as we go through our lives, we shine a light on the people we love. So right now, if there's somebody you want to shine a light for, turn on your torches and shine a light. Let's light this entire place up. Come Putting the camera on extra wide level. Are you with me?
I can't stop loving you. Can't stop loving you. Please forgive me.
Forgive